Parents, I want to give you a heads up. Our next segment may not be suitable for children. Coastside Clinic is dedicated to providing breakthrough ED remedies to men in the greater Sacramento area. And today they're here to enlighten us about their True Pulse protocol treatment. Medical technician Andrew Reinhardt joins us live. Hi, Andrew.
Hello, how you doing today?
We're doing good. So, Andrew, what is erectile dysfunction and how does it affect the quality of life for men and their partners?
Well, ED is typically damaged blood vessels and restricted blood flow, which results in failures in the bedroom, frustrations in the bedroom, the inability to perform. Now, a lot of men have turned to the pill. As we know, the pill causes side effects. There's no spontaneity with the pill. ED has a huge impact on a man, his significant other, the relationship, and I would even dare say happiness and life. So it's far reaching. Now, here's the good news. We have something that could fix the problem, and then the ripple effect that it can have in a positive way is incredible.
And Andrew, you've mentioned it impacts so many men, but why do so many men wait to seek out treatment?
It does. They say 50% of men over 50 experience erectile dysfunction. I actually think the number's a lot higher because typically men suffer in silence. The reason is there's some embarrassment to this. A man often feels like less of a man if he has ED, but it's not true. You're normal. It's the way we age. It's the American lifestyle. So many men will experience this problem, and the worst thing you can do is nothing at all because it generally does get worse.
So, Andrew, what are some of the causes of ED?
Well, diabetes and prostate issues certainly aren't helping us, but really it's that restriction in blood flow. The blood vessels actually get hardened with even plaque as we age and eat. That does not allow the blood vessels to dilate, so it doesn't allow any blood flow. That is erectile dysfunction.
And what are the traditional methods for treating ED, and how is your treatment different?
It has been for 30 years. The pill, maybe supplements and injections, all of treat the symptoms of erectile dysfunction. Now, Coastside Clinic, we have what I think is a major medical breakthrough. It's a technology called wave therapy. Gentle pressure waves go through the skin into the blood vessels, causing the damaged blood vessels to open up and expand. So it softens those blood vessels that I mentioned that were hardened. It regrows them. That is a beautiful thing in the bedroom, as you imagine. It's more blood flow. We have helped a lot of couples get rid of the erectile dysfunction without the use of pills.
And Andrew, how is acoustic wave therapy helping your clients, and what is the estimated success rate for this treatment?
Well, there's a lot of clinical data behind this, anywhere from 75 to 95% success rate. It works for most, and we will have you examined by our medical provider prior to starting, which is very quick and easy. But what patients tell us is it's a breath of fresh air to not have to take the pill anymore.
Yeah.
That's the result we're talking about here. Couples draw closer together.
And you have a special offer for our YCL viewers.
We certainly do. If you or your man are struggling with erectile dysfunction, grab your phone, call us before this segment ends. The exam assessment, even the ultrasound, if you can believe it, it's all free. And a gift that produces rapid results in the bedroom. You'll love it. $500, but call 916-603-2000 right now, and it's all no charge.
All right, Andrew with Coastside Clinic, thank you so much for joining us. And for more information, visit coastsideclinic.com.